Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Bronchitis. Ingredients: 1 cup of raw honey, 1/4 of a cup of freshly grated ginger root, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, and 2 cups of water. Instructions: mince the garlic, peel and grate the ginger. Combine the water, ginger, garlic, and thyme in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Strain the mixture when it's done into a bowl with a cheesecloth and be sure to squeeze it with a spoon to get all the remaining liquid. Allow it to cool slightly and add the honey and lemon juice and stir until well combined. Pour the syrup into a clean, airtight glass jar. You can store this in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. How to use? It's pretty simple. Take 1 tablespoon of the syrup every 4 hours or as needed to relieve the symptoms of cough and throat irritation. You can add to tea or warm water for a relaxing beverage. And how it all works. Honey contains methyl glyoxal that has strong antimicrobial properties to help fight the infection causing bronchitis. It contains hydrogen peroxide, which provide antibacterial qualities along with B-defensin 1, which is also a natural antibacterial compound found in honey. Ginger contains gingerols and chagols that are anti-inflammatory, which help to reduce the inflammation associated with bronchitis that relax the airways. Garlic has allicin, which is known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains ajoin and diallyl sulfides, which both have antimicrobial properties. Lemon juice has vitamin C, which is a strong antioxidant that supports immune health, and citric acid, which has mild antibacterial properties. Then we have thyme. It contains thymol, which is a strong antibacterial and antifungal that is effective against respiratory pathogens and helps suppress coughs. It also contains carvacrol that has the exact same benefits. All of these combined create a strong defense to aid your immune system in the fight against bronchitis. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.